Good day everyone, I'm Rina Carvajal. So, welcome to my video presentation about the manner of articulation and places of articulation in phonetics. These are important because they explain how we create different sounds in language. So, in manner of articulations, we have plosives, fricatives, affricatives, nasal, approximants, and tap. So, plosives. Plosives are consonants characterized by complete and sudden closure of the airflow in the vocal tract. So, we have an example here of plosives like P, like P, P, in pat, B, B, in bat, T, T, tap, D, D, dan, K, K, for king, and G for go. So, you can see that the closure of both my lips. So next is fricatives. Fricatives are squeezed through narrow space. Noisy, friction, move closer so the air flows through small opening. So I have the unvoiced example. First is fish, think, in sit, and for ship, and for hat, and the voice the for van, and this for zoo, and vision. So affricates are the small combination of plosive followed straight away by affricative. So affricative is a consonant sound produced by forcefully blocking airflow, a stop, and releasing it with a noisy hissing friction, a fricative. So I have here an example of fricative in English like ch, ch, for charge, and for judge as in life, like G as in jar. Next is nasals. Nasals, the air is released through the nose and hot in the mouth. So then the sound is blocked through the lips or tongue from leaving the mouth, instead is released through a nasal cavity. So I have an example here of nasals like for man, for not. So next is approximants. Approximants is formed when two articulations come together to form a narrow space in the mouth through which the air flows but not close enough to make the air friction audible. So approximants are in written fricatives and vocal sounds. So I have an example here of approximants like yeah, yeah for yawn, and for went, and for length, for road. So there are movement in the lips. And last but not the least is tap. So tap is produced when the tongue quickly taps against the alveolar ridge. So I have example here of tap like for butter, a lot of, like a lot of. So places of articulation. So to describe a sound, you need to describe the place of articulation of consonants in English. So sounds are produced by two articulations coming together. For example, the tip of the tongue is touching the alveolar ridge when you say d, d, d. So, the place of articulation in the location of the vocal tract where this coming together occurs. It could be a small opening of big or wider. So, there are several places of articulation. We have the bilabial, labiodental, interdental, alveolar, postalveolar, retroplex, palatal, velar, and glottal. So first, several places of articulation is bilabial. So bilabial is the sounds produced with both lips together. So I have an example here of bilabial like b for ball, and p for piece, like for man. So Next is the labiodental, sounds produced with bottom lips against upper teeth. Like, I have an example here, like, for fire, like, video. So next is interdental, sounds produced by flexing tip of the tongue between the teeth. So I have an example here, like, for think. So next is the post-alveolar. So post-alveolar sounds produced by raising the tongue just behind the alveolar ridge. I have an example here. For rat and for shaft and visual. For chip and for jam. Next is the retroflex. So retroflex sounds produced with the tip of the tongue curved back behind the alveolar ridge or alveolar ridge. So next is the palatal. So palatal is the sound produced by raising the middle part of the tongue to the hard palate. So I have an example here, like, yeah, yeah, for yes, and j, j for jump, and ch, for chip. So next is the velar. So velar is the sounds produced by raising the back of the tongue to the soft palate and velum. So I have an example here, like, k, k, k for K and g, g, g for green. And last but not the least is the glottal. So glottal is the sound produced by raising the glottis. Like, I have an example, like, for hungry. And thank you for watching, and that's all.